After 60, one of the biggest challenges we quietly face is muscle loss. You bend down to tie your shoes and feel a little weaker. Climbing stairs seems tougher. But what if the answer to stronger muscles was sitting right in your fruit bowl? Today, we'll uncover 5 powerful fruits that can help you fight muscle loss, delicious, natural, and backed by science. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink, a process called sarcopenia. It starts as early as our 30s and accelerates after 60. But here's the good news, the right foods can slow this process down, even reverse it in some cases. Protein matters, but so do the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in certain fruits. Let's start with the humble banana. This fruit is packed with potassium, which helps maintain muscle function and prevents cramps. It also contains natural carbohydrates that fuel your muscles and support recovery after light exercise or daily movement. A banana a day. That's a smart start. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, these tiny fruits are bursting with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These help reduce inflammation, which is a hidden enemy of muscle health. Studies show that older adults who regularly consume berries maintain better muscle strength and balance. Oranges offer more than just vitamin C, they're rich in bioflavonoids that support collagen production, which is essential for muscles and joints. They also help the body absorb iron, a key mineral in muscle oxygenation. Think of oranges as little balls of sunshine for your strength. Yes, avocados are fruits. They're rich in healthy fats and magnesium, both crucial for muscle repair and nerve function. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax properly. Plus, the healthy fats keep your joints supple and your energy stable throughout the day. Papaya is often overlooked, but it's a powerhouse for seniors. It contains papain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces muscle soreness. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C and A, which support immune and muscle health. Smooth, tropical, and easy on digestion, papaya is a gentle muscle booster. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of berries, a banana smoothie, or avocado toast. Small choices, repeated daily, lead to lasting strength. These fruits won't just protect your muscles, they'll lift your mood, ease digestion, and energize your golden years. You're not just aging, you're thriving. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more health tips for seniors, and share it with someone you care about. Let's stay strong, one bite at a time.